So I was looking everywhere online to figure out where a 2011 Nissan Versa turn signal bulb is. And if you look, I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, which is what I normally do. If you look under the hood, right here, sorry, let's see if I can get a good angle. Right there, that thing down there, right here, I'm gonna put my finger in there. You see where my middle finger is? You can see it wiggling right above my middle finger. That's where it is. The first one I showed was the driver's side. This next one I'm showing is the passenger side. You can see it's right there. Right there. The only thing that you can see right here. I'm gonna move my finger. You see it? Right there, yep. All you gotta do is just get in there, turn it to the left, and pull it out. Look at that. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure you just push it in, and twist it a little bit. Just be gentle with it. Okay, so you just gotta line it up, just like this. You see how there's little grooves right there, and there's these two dots. You just gotta find the way that it lines up. And then push it in just like that. And once it's in, you push it a little bit more and twist it. Then you can't pull it out, see? So you see how I just turned it a little bit and you see the little dot? You wanna push it in and then turn it so that you can't see the dot anymore. That means it is locked. And then we're just gonna put it back in that little hole. Little hole down here. Put it in there. Then twist it to the right this time. Just gonna kind of feel around for it a little bit, I guess. I know there's little grooves there, so I mean, if you want to take the time to look and position it correctly, it's probably ideal. But I'm just gonna fool around with it until it gets in. I'm not exactly sure what I did to get it in there. I just pretty much fooled around with it, turning it to the right all the way around until I got it in. Would you look at that? Oh, perfect. And that is how you solve a fast blinking light. I probably should have shown before it was blinking, but yeah, that's how you do it. Good luck.